guys? This video is just kind of be about recent updates. We haven't filmed a whole lot. There hasn't been much going on. Good news, got the Mustang back. Didn't wash it. I'm just kind of wiping it down because it had a lot of pollen on it. Sprayed it off and wiping it down. But the paint looks good on it. We are all done. Jesus got it knocked out. Get my boy Aaron Blue to lay the pinstripe on it. Get Nick to fix this one little bend in this wheel, but me and Jesus just got the Cobra bumper on. I'll have to put some, get some Cobra fog lights here for it. I don't really know what I'm gonna put in that front grille. We're having some issues with the hinge on this. It's not wanting to go fully flush over here. It's kind of got a little give. We did our best, but we think it's just the latch is just kind of worn out, but car is freaking done. Cobra bumper looks great. Super stoked on that. Front end is looking menacing. I'm so happy that that hood turned out the way it did. I'm sure Joey will be happy to see it now, not neglected. Fresh paint. Jesus, what you think? I'm gonna put some lashes on it, like this one. We'll put the lashes on. Yep. Super happy with it. Y'all hit Jesus up for your paint job needs. He's out here on Highway 51. He'll get you done quick, fast, and in a hurry. Yeah, it looks a little bit different in the sunlight. Yeah, when I came up here the other day, it was in the rain, but it looks so good. Man, yeah, very happy. Jesus is your guy. Come see this man. Man, guys, I am so happy with the way this turned out. This has been a fun project. We initially got it. What's crazy is the paint shop is here, and the place I got it from is literally right there. So, put new taillights in it, put new headlights in it, changed the wheels. I'm gonna get a factory one that's not tinted there, but dude, he's got this car looking so good. I'll tint the back glass, and I guess it had a Mustang banner on the front for so long it just like burned into the, I guess, the windshield. Oh, I forgot it is cracked here, so I might just need to go on and replace the whole windshield. So, but yeah, finished product. This man killed it. It looks so good. So, Jesus Espinoza hooked me up on the paint job, got it done literally in like 2.5 weeks. Still kept it with the yellow on the bottom, black on top. Still got the FR500s on it, but dude, I'm so stoked with how the hood turned out, you know, like glass. I haven't wiped that side down, but yeah. So in this video, we'll just be updating you on kind of some things that have happened, big news in the upcoming weeks. Got the GTO tuned, clip dyno pull here. That's about 750-ish horsepower on that setting. That was a pretty smooth pull. It definitely lights so much faster than it did before with the 78, so very happy with that. It's awesome. Cody, what did it make?
739 and 100, sorry, that's 739 horsepower.
739, all right. You know how many pounds of boost that was, Josh?
I don't, but computer does.
Say about 20. Nice. 739. And we're still super conservative, so I'm happy with that. Call it 750. Okay. So there's the dyno pull. It made 739, so call it 740 to the tire on 20 pounds, which is basically, we could get it up to like 780 with adding timing, but we just playing it super safe. That motor's been in that car for 3 years, so opted to back it back down, and it just blows the tires off anyway. So what the big news is is Dennis Bailey is hosting a race the same weekend that I'm hosting the barbecue. We've teamed up. Friday night, May 1st, is going to be testing for the small tire cash day cars. It's going to be 28, 1050, no W door cars. And then we're going to have the big rims. So it is an open invitation. Anybody can come. You can get with Dennis Bailey, or you can literally just pull in at the gate. You don't have to let us know you're coming. It'll be a 80-20 split pot between first place and second place. And that'll be 2 different races. So it'll be the small tire cash days and the big wheel stuff. Originally, we were going to race the big wheels Friday night during their testing, but it's not fair if we tie up their testing night to be racing. So what's going to happen is everybody can test on Friday, and then Saturday, everybody's going to race. And we'll just basically run it back to back. I don't know if he's going to want to do a round of small tire cars and then big rim cars, potentially, because the big wheel guys are not going to have to, you know, cool down and stuff like that. So I think that might be how he's going to do it. But yeah, that's the update to that. That's pretty exciting.
Tell them about the rules for the big wheels.
All you got to have is 22 and up. That's really the only rule. There's nothing other than that. If you got 22-inch wheels or bigger, whether it's a car or a truck, come on out. It is for the testing night and racing. It's going to be $250. So I think to test for 7 hours Friday night from 5 to midnight, I think is $60. And then, so that, what would that remaining balance be? $190 to be the race. So if you just want to show up and race on Saturday, it would just be $190. If you're a spectator, they're doing a 2-day pass like they did last time. I think it's $30 for Friday and Saturday. Or if you come just individually, if you come for the testing night to watch, it's $20. And then same thing on the race itself. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's how it was.
No, that was correct.
Okay.
That's correct.
All right, well, as long as it's the same. I know Dennis and Shaye did a great job. They've already done 2. This will be the 3rd. 1320 will be here to film that. We've also got a garage tour set up for Fred to do a tour. I'm not going to ruin the surprise and tell you who it is, but it is quite different. Yeah, other than that, I think tonight I'm going to go pick up Matt's, you know, YouTube Corvette that YouTube paid for but really didn't. And we're going to take it to his buddy's shop, Scott Hines, and he's going to do a cam, converter, long tubes, and tune. So it should take him a couple days, maybe a week or so. He's going to have that done for the barbecue. He's pretty excited about that. But, yeah, can you think of anything else? Oh, t-shirt plug on GTCthreads.com. You can get the big wheel shirt with my boy Danny on the back.
Yes, sir.
Is that you on your
That's me. That's me.
That's your saying, isn't it?
That's my saying.
Okay.
Bar that's rolling. I had maybe 3-6 O's in. I kept losing oil pressure on those.
Danny's going to be here front and center at the barbecue as long as he doesn't blow the car up on Friday or Saturday. He likes nitrous, so.
Gotta get that jungle juice right.
Well, I am not surprised that you are going on to the semifinals right now.
I'm trying to take it home. I need that
sir.
ball.
He might throw the kitchen sink at it. Oh, also, my buddy Brian Gianmarco, you know, all the clips where I go, Brian's here. I'm sweating. Brian's here. He made it. That other video, Brian made it. Brian's here. He's got a Regal on a set of 22-inch weld wheels that we, a while back, test fitted. Clip video here. All right, this is for you big wheel guys. You can get put on notice. Some 22s right there. Of course, they gotta be weld. Okay, that's what it looks like with my GTO on the wheels. He has opted to let me borrow his wheels off the Regal because his Regal's just got the 307 in it still, and so he's not racing it. We're gonna put them on the GTO, and we're gonna see what I can do on the big wheels. And it is fitting that they're weld wheels because that's the only wheels I'll rock on my vehicles. Except I really want some CCW Classics on the Mustang. Beggars can't be choosers, but Weld owns them too. So yeah, those are really just kind of the updates to the page recently. Is there anything else you can think of? We had a great time at the Cletus race, and now that the big wigs, the big channels have, you know, shown their all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. If you want to see it from our perspective, you can go at the link below and watch our, you know, rear-wheel drive versus all-wheel drive video. I'd like to at least get 1,000 views on that. We did 14 hours driving, and Alex did 14 hours of sleeping. So
You're dang right I did.
yeah, you're getting to be a professional at that. We just need to get you like a custom passenger seat where it's just like a lazy boy or something. So, but anything else you can think of?
I guess
Mustang got painted. GTO got dynoed, tuned. River Drive race was great.
Yeah, race is coming up.
Race is coming up. Barbecue's coming up. Lots of sponsors. I'll drop the sponsors as we get confirmed. I know as of right now, Comp Cams, TCI, Edelbrock are all donating $500 gift cards plus some random swag. HP Tuners is donating an MPV i4 loaded with credits as well as some merch bags. 1320 will be here. I don't really know what they're bringing. Last time I purchased all this stuff, and I think they're just going to donate some stuff this time, which is awesome, even though I put on for them. 901 Smokes will be cooking again for my buddies. There's been word that BTR might show up. Yeah. Who else? Some of my local buddies, Justin Wise, he'll have like some car cleaning products. You think of anything else, Alex? I'm gonna wipe. Now just watch me wipe while you think.
I'm sure there's a bunch we're forgetting. Maybe a few.
Probably so.
The barbecue or the race is open to everyone. Anyone's allowed.
Yeah, race is open to everyone. Barbecue is invite only. Don't get your feelings hurt. I'm packed out. Like I don't have any more room. It's gonna be in my yard and my neighbor Caleb's yard. Like we don't have any more room per city ordinance. You know, we're only supposed to have a certain amount of people at the house. We've already exceeded that, but they've said, hey, as long as you guys keep it, you know, nice and friendly, like we did last year, then they're good with it. So that's what we're gonna do. And no one's gonna peel out when they leave, and no one's gonna be doing crazy rev ups and all that stuff. You know, I didn't realize how bad I stutter until I started doing YouTube. I just gotta slow down. But
That's what he pays an editor for.
yeah, appreciate the edits, Alex. He could really kill me if he wanted to, make me look dumb. Yeah, that's all I can think of. We got stickers in the works with our designer for the t-shirts and stuff. We got to do some stickers, and then in the future months we'll be looking into some hats. So I love a good Bass Pro hat, but I'm gonna have to design my own. Oh, the big wheel trophies are gonna be designed by Kevin Lewis. He's already printed a sick chain, which is a weld wheel. I haven't even shown you that, I don't think.
No,
it's awesome.
This is my first time hearing about this.
It's
too.
awesome. Nice big weld wheel, the same weld wheel that's on Brian's car that he's letting me borrow. And then we're gonna do a hat. Kevin's gonna make a cool, like a Yeti cup with the 2026 big wheel winner, and then hat cup, stickers. That way y'all can rub it in all your buddies' faces that you won. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I really think that's like the update for this week. I really don't think there's anything else. I mean, it's been like, what, 2 weeks since we filmed anything?
Yeah.
We've both just been in grind mode since we got back from Florida. Trying to put some money back in the bank. Anything else?
I think that's everything that we're expecting. I mean, we've really just been prepping for this barbecue, getting the race and the permits pulled and everything, trying to line everything up.
And by we, he means Dennis. Dennis did it all. Dennis and Shaye.
Dennis and Shaye, yes.
This has been something I've been like super quiet about and have been like just patiently waiting that they can confirm that we're going to be able to do it. And they just put it out there, and I had a conversation with Dennis today about we're not going to cap the big wheel guys. So if 50 show up, 50 show up. There's no ifs, ands, rules, or buts about it. If you've got 22s or bigger, I guess they don't care if you come with a pro mod. If you're brave enough to try to do it on a street, like a hard tire, no like radial, or the 26-inch slick or whatever they call it, hard tire only, like that's pretty much it. 22s or bigger and you're in. As long as you pay the man at the gate, or pay the lady at the gate, that's all you gotta do. So we hope to see you guys at the race, and if we become friends in the future, maybe I'll see you guys at the barbecue
Next year.
next year. Good times only. Good time Charlie out.